The history of the picnic. Piknikning tarixi. True false not given. The hostess of early French picnics often asked their guests to play music. Fransuz pikniklarining hostess mezbonlari, ya'ni taklif qiluvchi odamlar bironta bir mehmonni so'ragan ekan musiqa chalishni o'zlarining mehmonlaridan. Picnics became popular in France in the 18th century, 18 asrda mashhur bo'ldi. A favorite pastime of the upper classes, yuqori tabaqadagi odamlarning yoqtirgan bo'sh vaqtidagi ishi. They were initially purely indoor affairs, held at home or in hired rooms. Uyda yoki ijaraga olingan xonalarda bo'lgan ekan boshlanishda. It was assumed that, bu o'ylanganki, invited guests, taklif qilingan mehmonlar, would contribute, hissa qo'shardi. They could either bring a dish, ular ovqat olib kelishi mumkin edi, or pay a share of the overall cost, umumiy to'lovni narxini to'lashi mumkin edi, qanchadir foizini. These picnics were often marked by conversation and wit, and such were associated with intellectual refinement. Bu pikniklar odatda baholangan suhbatlar va shu kabi intellektual rivojlanishlardan. At larger gatherings, kattaroq to'planishlarda, there was also music, musiqa bo'lgan. With the result that, natijasi bilan, picnic came to mean the same as a ball or party. Katta to'planishlarda musiqa ham bo'lgan. Piknik shu holatda keyinchalik bal yoki party kabi bir xil ma'noga ega bo'ldi. Picnics were, however, nothing if not adaptable. Pikniklar ammo biroq hech nima edi, ammo moslashuvchan, ya'ni moslashtirsa bo'ladigan bo'lgan. When the first restaurants appeared, birinchi restoranlar paydo bo'lganda, picnickers quickly began going to them and having their picnics there. U yerga borishni boshladi va piknikni restoranlarda qildi. The French Revolution in 1789 changed everything. Hamma narsani o'zgartirdi. With many wealthy French aristocrats fleeing abroad. Ko'pgina fransuz aristokratlari chet elga chiqib ketdi. Hop, musiqa chalishni so'ragan. Demak, javob not given bo'lyapti. Bizda ovqat olib kelgan yoki pul to'lagan dedi. Hop, the picnic was brought to England by aristocrats escaping the French Revolution. Piknik Angliyaga aristokratlar Fransuz revolyutsiyasidan qochib kelganlar tomonidan olib kelingan. Fransuz revolyution hamma narsani o'zgartirdi. Boy fransuzlar chet elga ko'chib ketdi. Ba'zilari Avstriyaga, ba'zilari Prushiyaga, hattoki Amerikaga. Ba'zi majority chose to go to England, ammo ko'pchilik Angliyaga borishni afzal ko'rdi. Settling mainly in London, Londonda qoldi. Some were now in need of money, ba'zilar pul zarur edi, but they did their best to maintain their old way of life, eski hayotini saqlab qolishdi. And in doing so, va shunaqa qilishdi, introduced the picnic to England. Angliyaga piknikni namoyish qildi. Demak, javobim true. Many complaints, ko'pgina shikoyatlar, were received about the noise at first in English picnics, birinchi ingliz pikniklarida. This led to several important developments. The first and shortest lived was that picnic became decidedly less refined and noisier. Picnic ko'proq, decidedly, qaror qabul qilgan holatda kamroq, refined va shovqinliroq bo'ldi, ya'ni shovqin kamayibdi. This was thanks to a group of around 200 wealthy young people who loved France and French culture, and in late 1801 founded the Picnic Society. Held in hired rooms in Tottenham Street in London, the society's gatherings were intended to impress. Every member was required to bring a costly dish and something to drink. As the Times newspaper reported, each member tried to outdo the others in luxury and expense. After dinner, the principal entertainment was always a play. Productions were admittedly quite basic. The stage was small, crowdly built. Unlike in a theater, the actors were never professional, but even so, they were widely popular. Hop, 3 ga ham Nagiyevni olyapman. Hop, shikoyatlar haqida bizda ma'lumot berilmadi. Kamroq shovqinli bo'ldi dedi, lekin shikoyat haqida gapirilmadi. People who wanted to join picnic society have to have approval of existing members. Mavjud bo'lgan odamlarni approval, roziligini olish kerak edi picnic societyga qo'shilmoqchi bo'lgan odamlar. Demak, ular picnic societyni paydo qilishdi, kichkina xonalarda. Every member, har bir a'zo ovqat olib kelishi kerak yoki ichgan nimadir. Demak, javobimiz true chiqyapti. Demak, olib kelish kerak edi. So'ralgan ekan, shunaqa olib kelinishi. Demak, mavjud bo'lgan odamlar approval kerak bo'lganga to'g'ri keladi. The picnics held by Picnic Society were extravagant events. Pikniklar o'sha Picnic Society tomonidan qilingan extravagant eventlar bo'lgan deyapti. Bizda extravagant adashmasam o'ta bo'rttirilgan yoki shunga o'xshash ma'noda kelardi. Ko'p pul sarflanadigan yoki o'ta ortiqcha darajada bo'lgan pikniklar bo'lgan deyapti. Hop, demak, gazeta aytgan ekan, har bir a'zo bir-biridan o'tib ketmoqchi bo'lgan ekan. Luxury and expense, xarajat va luxury, shinamlikda bir-biriga hashamatda o'tib ketishga harakat qilgan deyapti. Javobim true chiqyapti. Picnics given by Picnic Society took place in theaters. Demak, Picnic Society tomonidan qilingan pikniklar teatrlarda bo'lgan deyapti. The productions were admittedly quite basic. Ishlab chiqarishlar odatda oddiy bo'lgan. The stage was small, sahna kichik bo'lgan, and crudely built, oddiy qurilgan. Unlike in a theater, teatrga o'xshamagan holatda. Hop, demak, teatrda bo'lgan desa, yo'q, teatrda bo'lmagan ekan. Ular oddiy boshqa joylarda bo'lgan ekan. Hop, changes in picnics in England in 1800s, 800-yillar picnics began to be held. O'tkazilishni boshlanibdi qayerdadir. Another development in England in the 1800s was more profound. Picnics were adopted by emerging middle classes and moved outside. O'rta aholi tomonidan ham olindi va tashqariga chiqarildi. What caused this change is unclear, but the most likely explanation is that English simply implied a fashionable French word to a pre-existing practice, without being aware of what it meant. One of the results is that music ceased to be provided at picnics. Musiqa to'xtatilibdi pikniklarda, which became rather just plain, shunchaki oddiy, ochiq havodagi ovqatlarga aylanib ketibdi. To which qaysingaki people, odamlar taklif qilingan by a host, mezbon sifatida. Hop, 800-yillarda qayerda o'tkazildi? Adopted by emerging middle classes and moved outside, va tashqariga ko'chdi dedi. Demak, outside, tashqarida o'tkazilishni boshlagan. Pikniklar no longer usually included, demak, o'z ichiga nimani olmagan? Music, and no longer included, ceased to be provided at picnics. To'xtatildi dedi. Cease degan to'xtatmoq, cease. In the USA, Amerikada. Hop, picnics were a favorite activity for people living in. Qayerdadir yashayotgan odamlar uchun yoqtirgan activity bo'lgan. In the decades which followed, this form of picnic found its way to United States. As was only to be expected, it remained a refined activity most popular with middle classes in cities. O'rta aholilar bilan mashhur bo'lib qoldi shahardagi. Demak, javobim cities. Amerikalik of picnics were different from this by English artists. Ingliz odamlari tomonidan boshqacha bo'lgan Amerikan nimalardir. But unlike in England, ammo Angliyaga o'xshamagan holatda, it is setting, uning muhiti, was associated more with a fight from civilization than with childlike simplicity. Ko'proq urushga o'xshagan narsa bo'lgan, sivilizatsiyadan chiqib urushga, qochishga o'xshagan narsa bo'lgan. Bolaga xos oddiylikdan ko'ra uning muhiti deyapti. demak nimasi o'zgacha bo'lgan desa, muhiti o'zgacha bo'lgan ekan. Setting. Return to France, Fransiyaga qaytish. Hop, unga setting bo'lmayapti, uzr. Though still tinged with innocence, right? Though still tinged with innocence, hattoki haligacha beg'uborlik bilan to'ldirilgan holatda Paintings of Picnics by well-known American artists, Amerikan artistlari tomonidan mashhur rasmlar, misol uchun Winslow Homer odatlangan ekan o'zi ichiga olgan kamroq mana shunaqa dalalarni Angliya artistlaridan ko'ra deyapti. Demak, asosan nimasi boshqacha bo'lgan desa, paintings, rasmlar boshqacha bo'lgan ekan. 11. Indoor picnics, ichki pikniklar were still preferred, haligacha afzal ko'rilgan by members of the nimanidir a'zolari tomonidan. Picnics in the open air were less well received elsewhere. However, though the restoration of French monarchy was accompanied by the return of picnicking to France, Fransiyaga qaytib keldi. Mana return to France da. Their indoor version, ularning ichki versiyasi still predominated, haligacha mashhur bo'lib qoldi. Especially among the aristocracy, ayniqsa aristokratlar o'rtasida. Demak, still preferred, still predominated ga to'g'ri kelyapti. Javobim aristocracy. 20-asr oldinga qarab yurib. Umumiy holatda 20-asrgacha pikniklar prevail over the indoor kind, ichki turida ko'proq mashhur bo'lgan, ayniqsa Angliyada. Yangi turlar transportda anglatgan ekanki, picnics in the countryside, qishloqdagi pikniklar became more common, ko'proq keng tarqaldi. Kimdir designed especially for use by picnickers were widely sold. Nimadir keng ravishda sotilibdi, piknikerlar uchun aynan ishlab chiqarilgan. Before long, uzoq vaqt o'tmay, the popularity of picnic had grown so much, shunchalik o'sib ketdiki, specialist picnic baskets, maxsus piknik basket idishlar, ya'ni o'sha. Okay, I'm gonna show it here. Picnic. Mana piknik basketlar, mana shunaqangi narsalar. Piknik basket. Hop, piknik basketlar deyapti. Were being produced for the mass market. Katta bozorga ishlab chiqarilishni boshladi. Demak, widely sold, bayta produced for the mass market, designed especially for use by picnickers. Piknikerlar tomonidan aynan ishlab chiqarilgan. Demak, specialist picnic nimalar desa, baskets. Va bu yerda e'tibor beraylik, ega so'rayapti, gapni egasini so'rayapti, subjectni, va biz tubiga e'tibor bersak, ko'plikda turibdi. Demak, o'sha 12 ga javobim ham ko'plik ot bo'lishini tushunmasam bo'laveradi shartta. There is now greater, bu yerda hozir ko'proq nimadir bor, ovqatda, that's used for picnics, pikniklar uchun ishlatilgan. Picnics have undergone still further changes, largely as a result of international availability of a huge variety of food and the development of new technologies that make it possible for perishable food to be transported over long distances. Picnics will undoubtedly continue to evolve in the future. Kelajakda rivojlanadi. Shifting patterns of trade will almost certainly continue to change the foods we pack for picnic. O'zgarayotgan yo'nalishlar albatta davom etadi o'zgartirishni, ovqatlarni biz oladigan piknikka. Ammo nimadir sodir bo'lsa ham, one thing is certain, bitta narsa aniq. As long as there are friends with whom to share a meal, qachonki bu yerda odamlar bo'lsa, ovqat bo'lishgani, there will be a few things so pleasant as a picnic lunch. Bu yerda juda ham kam narsa bo'ladi, piknik lunch kabi maroqli bo'lgan. Hop, bu yerda kengroq nima bor? A huge, demak, largely as a result of the international availability of a huge variety of food. Ovqatlarning demak, huge variety degani turma xilligi, keng turma xilligi ovqatlarning mavjud ekan xalqaro tarzda. Demak, bu yerda hozir ko'proq nima bor? Greater deyapti, huge ga to'g'ri kelyapti. Huge nimasi bor desa, variety, xilma xilligi bor ekan ovqatni pikniklar uchun. Xo'p, rahmat. Thank you.